Again, to bring in cash online simply by watching recordings and promotions on the site we bring. Another sites every time. This site is called combinationcash.net. The best thing about this site is that they truly do pay you to pursue a free record. As you can see here, they give you a $3 up reward, 100% free for pursuing a record. Now you should simply essentially tap on this button where it says get $5 so you can enlist for a free record, and afterward finish up your username, email address, secret key and postal division, and snap on the register button. Now one thing to observe is that ensure you affirm your email address, ensure you check your inbox for the verifier. Delete various errands, download portable applications, mess around and elude companions to bring in cash with combinationcash.net. Tolerating individuals. Overall, they are extremely straightforward with regards to every one of the installments that they convey to individuals. You can see all the usernames with their nation's banners. You can likewise see all the installment strategies, including PayPal, RTM, Coinbase, Wonderful Cash, Progressed Cash, thus considerably more. You can likewise see their all-out profit. Suppose for instance this person here has complete income of $956 simply by watching recordings on this site, which is only staggering. Next, this person here has all out learnings of $1,479. This one has more than $2,385, much more than $5,900, which is insane. This is from one site. Currently try to continue to watch to know these sites before you go in and give them a shot yourself. This website is alluded to as combinationcoins.net. The quality component about this site is they really do pay you to join a detached record. As you might see here, they concoct a $3 up reward, 100% loosened for pursuing a record. Now you should simply truly tap on this button in which it says get $5 so you can sign in for a loosened record, after which finish up your username, electronic mail, manage secret key and postal district, and basically click on at the register button. Now one perspective to take notice is that guarantee you affirm your electronic mail, adapt to guarantee you investigate your inbox for the verifier, delete unique commitments, down load sell applications, play computer games and elude buddies to make cash with combination coins.net. Tolerating people worldwide. They might be exceptionally straightforward regarding the matter of each of the bills that they transport out to people. You could see off $1,479. This one has more than $2,385, much more than $5,900. That is loopy. This is just from one website. Presently guarantee to keep up with watching to know those sites sooner than you go in and endeavor them out yourself. Presently continuing on the following site where we can watch recordings and bring in cash, as called irazoo.com. This is most certainly a genuine site. You can make unconditional gift vouchers and money right on this site. As you can see here, they've been paying out parcel of money to every one of their individuals all over the planet, and they've been highlighted in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and furthermore on the Wall Street Journal. And this is fundamentally the way in which it works. First, you really want to join Iowa Zoo. Next, to procure focuses, you want to watch recordings. In the wake of acquiring focuses, you can then change over it into gift vouchers or monetary compensations through PayPal. Now one thing to observe is that you can procure focuses not simply by watching recordings, but rather additionally through downloading applications, taking paid studies, finishing offers and messing around. Now to begin bringing in cash with Iris, who you really want to pursue a free record. To do so, just snap on this button here where it says begin, and that will take you to this page where you can join naturally utilizing your Facebook record, or you can likewise physically finish up your email address, first name, last name and secret phrase, and snap make account. So without skipping a beat, this is what your dashboard would resemble, and the following are a couple of tips. You can procure extra free focuses by basically setting up your profile. For example, responding to a couple of inquiries, check in your email, transferring your profile picture, etc. And from that point, when you click on this button where it says Reward Store, you can pick your nation. In the event that you're coming from the US, you can tap on this button. In the event that you're coming from Canada, you can tap on this one, or on the other hand, on the off chance that you're coming from some other country, you can tap on this button where it says any nation. And the main way we can cash out on this site is through paper, so you can accept your profit by means of PayPal by just watching recordings, and that is exactly on this website. As you can see here, they have been paying out part of money to every one of their patrons around the area, and that they've been highlighted in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and moreover at the Wall Street Diary. And this is basically the way in which it works. First, you need to sign up for Iowa Zoo, resulting if you have any desire to acquire focuses, you need to watch films. Subsequent to procuring focuses, you could then change over it into present playing a card game or monetary compensations through PayPal. Now, one component to take note is that you could procure factors as of now not by essentially looking motion pictures anyway. His is fundamentally the way in which it works. First, you really want to join Iowa Zoo. Next, to procure focuses, you want to watch recordings. In the wake of acquiring focuses, you can then change over it into gift vouchers or monetary compensations through PayPal. Now, one thing to observe is that you can procure focuses not simply by watching recordings, but rather additionally through downloading applications, taking paid studies, finishing offers, and messing around now to begin bringing in cash. Moreover, by means of downloading applications, taking paid reviews, completing offers, and betting computer games. Now, if you have any desire to start getting cash with Iris, who you want to sign up for a free record, to do so, basically click in this button here wherein it says Get Started, and that will take you to this page where you could be essential for regularly the use of your FB record, or you could likewise physically finish up your electronic mail address, first name, remaining name, and secret key, and snap make account so without skipping a beat. That is what your dashboard could resemble, and the following are a couple of tips you can acquire more prominent free focuses with the guide of just truly setting up your profile along with responding to certain inquiries. Confirm to your electronic mail, bringing in your profile photograph, etc., etc. And from that point, when you click on this button where it says Reward Shop, you could choose your US. In the event that you're coming from America, you might tap on this button. Assuming you're coming from Canada, you might click in this one, or on the off chance that you're coming from each and every other USA, you could simply